Hi everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and we are joined by popular demand. We are joined with Crystal Gonzalez. You guys might recognize her. She's been in plenty of videos before, and yes, I have read the comments. Everybody wants to see her, so I brought her back for a video. And yeah, we are super excited. We're gonna be doing an unboxing because she signed up for Play Octopus and you guys should too. Okay, so use my link in the description below. Play Octopus is a cool app, cool tablet, right?
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
It's a lot of fun, and they pay Uber and Lyft drivers up to $100 per month, which is absolutely insane, and allows your passengers to play games in the back seat for free. They don't have to pay for the games. And yeah, we'll get into all of that. But yeah, before we do, you want to just introduce yourself, like your background on driving rideshare and just who you are, you know.
Yeah, so I'm Crystal. I'm a freelance makeup artist. I create content for beauty brands as well. And then in my spare time or for extra income, I drive for Uber and Lyft. Primarily Uber though. So I work part-time for Uber. Monday through Friday, I try to go out every single day for like 4 hours a day.
There you go.
That's what I
do.
You
guys have it. But Crystal, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Where's your merch at? I got the merch. What are you wearing?
Yeah, the merch.
Why did you come over without your merch on? What the heck?
No.
Guys, if you're watching the video and you're not wearing the merch right now, what are you doing? Go get the merch.
It's laundry day.
Oh, it's laundry day. Okay, so yeah, before we get into the video, guys, if you can do this one simple little tiny little favor, and please give the video a big thumbs up. Would really appreciate that. It does help us out a ton. And also make sure to destroy the subscribe button. Destroy it. Hulk smash it. So you will be notified every single time we post videos on this channel. All right, without further ado, where is, oh, you already have it ready.
I already have
Poof.
the box ready.
Okay, by the way, that painting, what are you, honest thoughts? It's so scary to me. Okay, whatever. Let's put it right here. Let's move some of these business books. Guys.
How to win friends.
How to win friends. I need that because I don't have any. Oh, and look what we got here. The Rideshare Guide. Shout out to Harry Campbell. He is probably the biggest rideshare YouTuber. He didn't send me that book. I had to actually buy it, so whatever. Invest in yourself. It was like 10 bucks. Okay, so this is the Play Octopus box. When you guys get your Play Octopus tablet, basically what you have to do before we unbox it, let's just say the okay, I don't want that painting in the background. Okay, stay right here. Okay, before you guys sign up, okay, don't sign up until you've hit 100 rides on either Uber or Lyft, and you have to at least do 100 rides per month to qualify. So, it has to be like in your market. It doesn't have to be right away. Like, you can sign up, for instance, when you sign up, it'll ask you what market. Let's say, for example, the market is Los Angeles. If you live like in Orange County or somewhere pretty close, I think that should be fine. Don't quote me on that, but like, it just says the market closest to you. So you have to be in one of those markets, and again, 100 rides per month, okay? They're gonna ask you for a screenshot, so don't sign up until you've done 100 rides, okay? Yeah. So, and then when you sign up, they will send you this box for free. You don't have to pay for anything, unless you live in like Chicago or something. I think, I don't know. They have a weird thing, but.
Oh, that is weird.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
You talk now.
All right, so we're gonna unbox the Play Octopus.
Let's do a cool little camera.
Right.
Here, hold it up.
Okay.
Let's do it. Ooh, look at that, guys. A fancy white box. All right, cool. And how do you need a knife to open it or scissors?
Yeah, okay, so I already did open it. But, so you will need,
spoiler alert, we already opened it.
Yeah, spoiler. You will need a knife to like cut through all that tape and open it, so be prepared for that. So, you guys have opened boxes before in your life, so
yeah.
Come on.
Wait, before we unbox it?
Yeah.
Let's do it over here. Let's do it over here, okay? let's yeah, sorry. Let's do it right here.
Okay. All right. We ready for this?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Voila.
Voila.
There it is. Okay, so don't look at my laptop. Okay.
Alright, so you guys get
Here, stand over there so I can, yeah.
Okay. So it comes with this band right here, alright?
Okay, it's
So
kind of
almost
dark.
looks like-
Hold it out. So, yeah.
See this?
And that's what you use to strap it around to the headrest, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So you strap this around the headrest.
Does yours already have the things on it? The little
I just took them
clip-ons?
off.
Oh, there they are right here. You'll put these
So
on.
This is Velcro right here. All you need to do is just place these on here. It's all Velcro.
Yeah.
And there you go.
It's super easy to set up. Literally, what?
So
Like when you first got it,
it
you were
looks
like,
complicated.
yeah.
And
When
overwhelming.
Crystal first got it, I was like, hey, did you set it up? She's like, no, I don't know how to do it. I'm like, it takes, what, 30
Yeah,
seconds?
it's really simple.
Once you learn, it's really fast.
Yeah, you don't even have to learn anything. You just literally have to take everything out of the package.
Yeah.
So, okay, so then you have this. You need to charge this, so be sure to charge it. Mine
Is yours
should be
dead or is it charged yet? Okay.
Let's see. I'm gonna try to turn it on.
Okay. Yeah, and then so these are the clip-ons. So the tablet will clip onto this eventually. We'll show you guys.
Yeah, so, oh, there it goes.
Cool.
So it turns on. Okay.
Oh yeah, by the way, guys, it's not like, it's a tablet, but you can't go on like Facebook on it. It's just like, it's only for games. It's only for Play Octopus. You can't like go on Safari because a lot of people were like asking about that for some reason.
If somebody tries to steal this from you, they're gonna be really disappointed.
Yeah, because they're only gonna be able to play games.
So there you go. Mine's already charged. Remember that. Charge yours.
So it's powered by Sprint. It has a data plan. It's a free data plan, but again, it only works like, you don't have to run your own hotspot or Wi-Fi off of it. It's all provided for free.
Okay, so I'm gonna put that away for a second. And then they give you this cable. So this will charge, I think, Sprint phones, right? So Sprint and maybe Samsung.
Oh.
I know somebody charged their phone.
Oh yeah.
But so there's the USB and this right here.
But that goes into the tablet.
Yeah, this goes into the tablet, and I usually keep mine plugged into the tablet all the time, unless a rider really needs like this cable for some reason, and then they can charge their phone or whatever.
I've never had anybody ask me, but
Yeah, people ask me all the time.
Oh,
So,
really?
Yeah. So okay, so there it goes, and
who has Androids these days? Come on, guys.
I know.
Get an iPhone. Come on.
So this reaches all the way to the front seat. So this is long enough to like.
Let's see how long that is.
Yeah.
Oh, is it longer than your wing? It's longer than your wingspan.
Wow, that's longer than 5'6". Okay, so once this is on the headrest, which we'll show you guys that too, you're just gonna clip them in these little.
Yeah, it's super easy to clip in.
Okay.
I mean, you kind of gotta put some strength into it.
You kind of gotta like place these things
Yeah, they have to be like in the right
correct way.
Oh, you put it on the outside like that?
I think it goes on like that. So like you strap it on the headrest like that, and then just so it will fit. It's easier when it's on the headrest.
Yeah, because then it's already in place and stuff.
Yeah. It goes on just like that.
There you go. Ooh, let's do a little. Oh, you can see me in the reflection.
There it goes.
Can you like hold it up as if you're like a boxing girl? What do they do? Like they hold up the numbers. Look at that, guys. Behind the head view too. Oh, you can see me in the mirror. Hi, guys. All right, so I have a crazy thought. Let's set it up in your car. Let's show them what it looks like when we set it up. So
let's go ahead.
Let's go. I need my keys too, so I don't get locked out of this place. All right. So, Crystal.
Yes. What's up?
What's a fun fact about yourself?
Fun fact is I'm a certified scuba diver.
What?
Open water scuba diver. Fun fact.
You're lying.
Yes,
I don't believe you.
I haven't gone scuba diving in like over 6 years, so
Oh.
I mean,
fair
it's
enough.
not really worth anything now,
But you could go.
I can go. I just have to take a refresher course.
Oh, nice. And here we have, I won't show your license plate, but oh, is that, oh, there's your I don't want to show your sticker either because it does show your license plate as well. But here you guys have her car. It is a Nissan what?
Ultima.
Nissan Altima.
2016.
So do you put it on the right back or the left back? Right back, right?
back.
Yeah, yeah. So you don't, so it's not hitting your head.
Yeah, I'm just gonna plug this in.
Okay, so yeah.
I'm just plugging the USB portion in.
Into your charger thing.
Okay, and then the charger reaches all the way to the back.
Wait, show them the charger thing because we didn't look at that yet.
Okay, wait. I don't know if did this come with the charger thing?
Yeah, it comes
did?
with.
Oh,
it's the
okay.
double one, right?
Yeah.
So this one, when I first got it, I was really like surprised. But it has two, so one for the tablet and then another one for your phone. So, yeah, that's like really helpful actually.
That is helpful. So, use that.
So you can just plug it in there.
This reaches all the way to the back. So now I'm gonna jump into the back seat.
Here, I'll come on this side.
Okay.
Hey, your Uber sticker's falling off.
It is. I know.
You put duct tape on there? Scotch tape?
Okay, so this is where the magic happens, guys.
This is the magic?
This is the magic.
Chilling in the front seat, in the back seat. Do you know that song?
No.
It's Friday, Friday.
Oh yeah.
It's like chilling in the front seat, in the back seat.
I actually met the guy who created that
Wait,
song.
we just totally. Wait, what? The producer?
Met the guy the Friday song?
No way.
Yeah. So
Maybe I should come in the front so you can see how it goes in.
Okay.
So show them the strap and how it yeah. So you put one side through. Here, let me go on the back and then I'll whip around. So put in one side through the headrest. Yeah. So you go like put one side in, then you wrap it around.
So there you go.
Put that there, and then yeah, you kind of have to stretch it kind of hard. Depending, I think mine is bigger. Yeah, mine is way bigger. So I have to I had to yank it across, but this is nice because it's not that big.
Yeah.
And some people don't have this space here. They just have a full seat.
Oh.
So they have to I think you could just wrap it around the side and then switch the back thing. You know what I mean? They would just wrap it around this and then rotate it. But
yeah.
Anyways.
So, okay, this came off.
All right, go ahead.
All right, so here it is.
Wait, speak up
now.
because there's kind of loud.
Okay. So here is Play Octopus. It's on now. It gives your
Oh, this is
riders
such a good
messages.
thumbnail. Oh my gosh. Wait, do that again.
What this?
Just talk.
So it gives your passengers messages tips are appreciated, so they know. You don't have to tell your riders hey, we appreciate tips. Play Octopus is already telling them. So let's see what else. Oh, there's a driver profile. People can learn about you. There's no internet connection. Oh, it has the weather on here.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the weather in LA. Oh, here's the driver profile. So sometimes riders, get to know
I've had
you.
people look at that before and ask me about it, about random stuff.
Yeah.
I don't remember what I put. I think my favorite hobby was soccer or something. And people have been like, oh, I heard you're a soccer player. And I'm like, I guess. I forgot that I even put that in there.
Yeah, some people will say oh, you're a Dodger fan, or
yeah.
Oh, you go snowboarding. And they'll be oh, hometown. Your hometown is Bakersfield.
Mm-hmm.
You're a long way from home.
Just put Zimbabwe or something.
So, there it is. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments if you guys want this in your car.
And then, oh yeah, and then let's pull up a game really quick.
Okay.
Let's just play a game. Oh yeah, guys, by the way, like, even if your passengers don't play games, so the way it works is you get points for every time a passenger plays a game. And the more points you get, the more money you make. But even if a passenger doesn't play a game, you still get points just for driving around with it. Did you know that?
Yes.
Yeah. So, and then in between each game, there's an ad that plays. That's how the company makes money, and that's how the driver makes money. So, here is what the... Oh, can you turn the brightness up or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can change. It's really cool. You can change the brightness. You can turn on mute too.
Okay, so we're gonna play a game. We'll go ahead and play picture trivia.
The games are super fun, honestly.
They are.
My passengers like get a kick out of, like, at night at least.
Oh, they can win money.
Oh yeah, that's the best part. They can win money. That's their incentive to play.
So what's the
Plus,
name
it's
of
pretty
this
fun.
place? Machu Picchu.
Yeah, and then you get points for everyone you get right. So.
Oh no!
The battery's dying. What is the name of this painting?
Oh man.
Oh wait.
I know
Oh, you know. Okay. Oh yeah, and they have to go faster too. Where's this located? Sydney. Who is this historical figure?
Jurassic Park.
What sport uses this ball? That's so easy. It's me, Mario.
What are these?
Jelly beans.
Jupiter. That's a cannoli.
What is this cartoon character? Oh, that's Eric Cartman.
I had no clue.
Who is this cartoon character? Mojo Jojo. I am Mojo Jojo. What movie is this? Ooh. I don't know.
Ooh, I don't know.
Nice try though. And then at the end, they want you to play again because you didn't win the 25 bucks. And then there's a leader score. So the top person gets...
They're from LA. The top person is from LA today.
Oh, that's so cool. Shout out LA. They get $25, so the top person got 31 points. Anyways, guys, that is our unboxing video of Play Octopus. If you did enjoy it, why don't you sign up if you're an Uber or Lyft driver? If not, just give the video a big thumbs up. Any last words? What's your impression? Oh, you did have one thing to say, right? That you didn't like about it?
So the only thing I really don't like about it is having to mount it, taking it off and then mounting it again each and every time I go out to drive. Because I don't leave it in my car overnight just because you don't know if a random person thinks it's a regular iPad or whatever, or tablet. So I just am safe and I take it out every night. Yeah. But sometimes I forget to remount it, so don't forget about that.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it just depends. If you have to park on the street, obviously take it off and on, but that's probably the downside. But anyways, we're gonna make another video going over how much money Crystal has made using Play Octopus. You guys have already seen how much money I have made. I've already gone over that, but so stay tuned for that. That's gonna be the next video, guys. Maybe we'll even link it down in the description below. So let's see how much money Crystal made driving Play Octopus. You might be surprised.
Yeah, you might be surprised.
You might be surprised. Yeah. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you, Crystal, for coming on the Rideshare Hub. But next time, you better wear the merch, okay?
I will wear the merch.
I'm not gonna let you inside if you don't have the merch on. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Go get the merch. It's on sale right now. I'm gonna put it on sale. Go get it. But yeah, guys, talk to y'all soon. Have a good day.
See ya.